Welcome back to the Education Revolution. In today's lesson, we will be talking about time. Now, I know this seems like a lot to look at, but now we're seeing the numbers being used. I hope you know how to tell time in your language, but if not, we're going to break it down a little bit today anyways. We have again 1 to 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have the hour hand, and the hour hand is what we'll always start with. So for example, we might start with the number 2 and then 2 dots. Moving into the minute hand, the longer hand, okay? Now, it doesn't say 2:10. In fact, there are 60 minutes in an hour that would go around, okay? 60 phút in 1 hour. So here we count by fives. Okay, so we could say 5 all the way around, and this is in fact 50. So 5 minutes all the way around, we get 50. We would say the time is 2:50. But of course, English can't be that easy. We have to make it more difficult. So what do we say instead? Well, we have times like this. If the hour hand is on the 2, and let's say the minute hand is over here at the 1, we would say it is 5 after 2. Or you might hear 5 past 2 o'clock, 5 past 2. Okay, here we'll say 10 past. And normally we don't say the hour. You don't have to say 10 past 2. We just say 10 past or 10 after, assuming the other person we are speaking to knows the time, the hour. Okay. Another way to separate this is we can draw a line down the middle, okay? And everything to the right will be past. So if I have a hour hand on the 2, but the minute hand here, we'll say 25 past. We can say the hour if we want, 25 past 2. If it is here down in the middle at the 6, we would just say half past. So we'll say, oh, it's half past 2. Half past 2. Anything beyond the half past, we say until the next hour. So we'll say if the minute hand is instead at the 7, we'll say it is, of course, 2:35. Or we can say it is 25 till. Okay, 25 till. Or 2, 25 to the next hour, 3. So 25 to 3, 25 till 3. Either is okay. Finally, the last one is anytime we have time that is in between these two, we will often say it is a quarter after. So if, for example, the minute hand is over here, we'll say it's a quarter after 2. If we have the minute hand over here, we'll say a quarter to 3 o'clock, right? A quarter to 3. I hope that was a clear enough explanation. But again, if you need more practice with this, this is more of a math lesson we'll get into down the road. Okay. So here, notice we have some different times, and hopefully, sorry, I had this as like a PowerPoint slide before, and then these would pop up for you to practice, but this is a good worksheet. Go ahead and take a look at this. You can take a screenshot and try it out, but just different ways of describing the time, right? So here again, we would say counting by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So it's 25 minutes past the 2 o'clock, so we say 25 past 2. Here again, it's on the 2 o'clock, just happens to be that. And here we're at 30, 40, at the 40 minute here. So instead of say 40 past, we say 20 minutes till or to the next hour, right? 20 minutes to 3. Of course, this is 2:40. So we'll work on this a little bit and just practice to tell time using the numbers, okay? So you can practice and check your answers, different ways of reading a clock and telling time. This is why knowing numbers is going to be important. If you have questions on this or want more examples, please send me a message and I'll respond to you via my email. And it is a great way to get the responses back quickly. Okay, good luck.